Just the device and the USB cord. What a cheap packaging.
Shut your stupid ass up!
What's up guys, TechBot here. You've already seen the title. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'm doing an unboxing of a Sony 5.0 wireless headphone. It's actually $10. I bought for $10. As you can see, I purchased it yesterday, so I made this video today, to post it. I haven't really opened it yet, so I decided to capture it. Well, as expected, it's a $10 headphone and you're not really supposed to expect much from it. So what I got was just the headphone and a 5-inch USB charging cable, which is cheap. Well, it's a $10 headphone, so I won't really rate it down, because after testing it I found out that it outperformed the price I bought it for. So nothing else inside the box, as you can see. So I picked up the headphone, put it on, and I think it's not really Sony. I think maybe China just made its own headphone and named it after Sony, but because it has a button, I think the mode button, that's the second button. If you click it for like 7 seconds, it will automatically translate the headphone speech into Chinese. Well, this is pretty much it. This is $10 really. I put in my TF card to test out the sound and see if it works before connecting it. It's actually a Bluetooth wireless headphone and it comes with an FM, so you don't have to worry about radios again. This will do, but the connectivity is not that strong. After all, it's only $10, so you don't have to expect it to outperform its price. Well, I'll give it a strong 5 out of 10 for the sound. I use it to play PUBG, Dream League, and some other fun.
Cap.
So 4 out of 10. And also, if you're enjoying this video, why don't you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get an alert whenever I post a new video. And as promised earlier, let me show you how to make an AI video using your mobile phone. So first of all, you go into your browser and search for synthesia.io. Immediately the platform is open, so you click create free AI video, and once you've clicked on it, it will take you to their direct home page for creating the video. So as you can see, you select the title of what you want to do, and then you edit the the point that you want to create. They'll ask you your first name, put your first name, your last name, and your email, because that's where they're going to send the video for you. So once you've done all that, you select your home country, click the agreement button, and also review that you're not a robot. So doing all this, that's pretty much it, guys. After 5 minutes, your AI video is ready and it will be delivered to you in your email. So guys, you've made it through the end of this video. Why don't you subscribe to my channel, rate my video in the comments, and I'll take correction. And you can also check out my previous videos to check how bad they are. You can rate them in the comments too. So until then guys, I'll see you in my next video.